Okay, hopefully you can see me. Good morning. Welcome back to day 9 in China. Yeah, got a seems to be a pretty busy day. Probably won't get to the hotel till about, I don't know, 9 o'clock or something. But yeah, can't wait to head into Shanghai. Always heard of Shanghai, and like you always see pictures of Shanghai, so it'll be pretty epic to see it, especially at night, with all the buildings lit up and all that. But yeah, the other thing that surprised me this morning when waking up was just behind us, out of our window, you can see the mountains. And I mean, we're not in this. We're in quite a bit of a downtown district, and I was shocked to see that there's actually mountain here, because most of the other cities have been like relatively flat. Okay, we're here at a tea village. Just had a pretty interesting demonstration on tea. Don't think I really want to buy it, but no, definitely don't. But still very, very interesting how tea how it detoxes the body and everything, and yeah, pretty interesting. Plus the views are also pretty incredible. Like there's hills of tea, and then the mountains surrounding the gardens. Pretty incredible.
as you can probably hear. It's a bit busier than where we were earlier this morning. We're at the West Lakes in Hangzhou. Now we're in the bustle and hustle of Shanghai. I'm not doing the boat tour tonight, so I'm thinking I'll walk along the Bund, look at all the lights, and then maybe hire a bike and ride. We'll see. Because I've got till 8 o'clock, so got a bit of time. So yeah, let's explore Shanghai for a bit. Hopefully you can see the building sparkling in the background. Yeah, it's roughly just there. It's pretty cool. You can tell how rich a city is, or some people in the city are, and they've got yachts and mega yachts parked off the river in their own like private marina. Views like this, just for their boats. Pretty insane. The other crazy thing about Shanghai is there's absolutely no one around here. I mean, I'm not right near the Bund, which is where I'm walking to, which I probably won't get to in the time that I have, but I mean, there's no one here. There was a Boast launch event, but other than that, there's no one. Like, it's empty. And I mean, this city is 25 million people, so I've got no idea. Definitely wish we had these lanes back at home, jogging lanes. It's so cool. It just makes sense. Absolutely incredible skyline. I didn't get as far as I wanted because I had to go to the toilet, and that was an experience, but I'll spare you the details, that's for sure. But yeah, absolutely incredible skyline. Like, just look above me, like it's all lit up. It's pretty insane. Like, look at that. Whoa. Now I just got to try and find a bike so I can ride back to the meeting spot, because I don't really want to walk again, because that took a while. But yeah, let's go find one. These bikes are not built for taller people, my word. This is insane. It's so cool though. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see it. Let's see. Hopefully you can see it now. This is my Honda Steed. So good. Okay, after that very, very fun experience, I just did not know how to lock the bike to save myself. Gotta wait for the group to come, get on the bus, and then head to the hotel, which is like an hour's drive out of Shanghai. So it's gonna be an interesting drive, but hopefully we get into the place where we're going and get there early, well, early-ish, maybe 9 o'clock, and then get some sleep.